My name is Dennis Aseto, and we go straight to our top story this hour. We begin with Christmas Eve celebrations now. Kisumu churches marked Christmas Eve by praying for justice, especially to those who suffered during the Gen Z protest. Now, the clergy called upon the government to exercise justice and righteousness to Kenyans. Bishop Charles Kokombo said that Kenyans have faced challenges of abduction and femicide, especially the youth. Okombo also called upon the leaders to preach unity as they go about their duties. He added that the war on illicit brew is not only in Mount Kenya region, but the entire country.
Who claims to be a Christian exercises justice and righteousness. And that is one of our church core values, so that we can live a justful life, whereby you get what belongs to you and you're right. Those people who need to be compensated for what happened in their lives, it should be so. You know, we cannot bury our heads. May next year, 2025, be a better year for all of us.
The year 2024 has not been a very good one. There have been many challenges, including kidnapping of young people, femicide, and people disappearing. Many things have happened in our country which do not make us happy. But as the church, we have continued to pray for this country, that the Lord may help us, that we come back to our nuts and to come back to the right position. My message to the Kenyans would be that the year 2025 would be a different one. That God helping us, the government would take their position correctly, the politicians and everybody who is able to listen to us and to listen to the voice of reason, which is the church.
Christians have been urged to embody kindness, generosity,